Hello, welcome. Today we'll learn about how to do right-angled trigonometry. Cool. So let's say you are given this problem and it's 30 degrees and that side is 5 and you're supposed to find x, right? So before we start and learn how to solve this, you should know this is how things work. So let's say if you're given an angle here, pretend this looks nice. I didn't use a ruler for this. Right. So the longest side is the hypotenuse, and the one right next to the angle is the adjacent. The one directly opposite of that is the opposite. So that's that. And then to be able to do trigonometry, you want to learn this acronym, SOHCAHTOA. And this stands for sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, ka cosine, or aka cos, equals adjacent over hypotenuse, and TOA is tangent equals opposite over adjacent, right? Cool. So remember that. Then we come back to this. How would we be able to solve that? Well, this is the angle we're given right here. So that's the hypotenuse. And that's the opposite. So we need to use sine, which would, to solve that, you would put sine and then the angle equals opposite over hypotenuse, which is 5 over x. And to get x, you basically make it x equals 5 over sine 30. And type that into your calculator, which I'm not gonna do for time reasons. Anyways, so let's say you get a slightly different problem, right? Let's say you have this angle here, and that's, let's say the angle is 49, right? Right, and you're given x here, and you're given 2 here. How would you be able to find x? Well, remember, you use this, which gives you 10 49 equals, because as you see, O and A, so opposite over adjacent, so x over 2, right? So to get x, it's 10 49 times 2, which again I'm not gonna type into the calculator. Now, things come a bit tricky when you're finding the angle and are given the sides. let's say you're supposed to find theta, right? And you're given 5 here and 3 here. So how are you going to find that? Well, remember, that's the hypotenuse and that's the adjacent. Same principles, you use this one. So, but rather than, because we don't know, so let's say it would be cos theta equals 3 over 5. But then to find theta, we need to reverse the cosine. So you may find this on your calculator. So this is the reversed and similar. Let's see here. Excuse me for how badly I draw these. Where's find theta and given say 10 here and 5 here. Once again, adjacent, and that's the opposite. So we use this once again. Thus you get tangent theta, tan theta equals 10 over 5. And then you need to reverse the 10, which gives you theta equals 10 minus 1 brackets 10 over 5. So yeah, that's it.